And my colleague Parikshit Luthra spoke with FADA President Manish Raj Singhania on these numbers, the trends that are shaping up, and the outlook. Let's hear out that chat.
Festive season, the Ganesh started at the month end, and most of the billings happen in the last week of the month. So I think though it shows a slow start, but the required vehicles not reaching the dealerships for the customers, that is reflecting in the figures. And overall, the festive outlook is very positive, especially for the passenger vehicle segment. The 40-day period from start of Navratra till Diwali, we see a very, very positive trend, and retails would be very good.
Okay, so what were possibly the reasons for the vehicles not reaching the dealers during Ganesh Chaturthi?
So billings normally happen in the last week and last week of the month. So Ganesh Chaturthi has started at the month end, and it continues in the month of September. So though it seems a slow start, the vehicles and the logistics time has also increased for the dealers. The vehicles take normally more time reaching the dealerships due to logistic issues prevailing.
Okay. And how do you think the flood-like situations in different parts of the country are affecting the movement of customers? Because we're also seeing a continuous stress in the two-wheeler segment.
So rainfall have been kind of scattered. Some areas the rainfalls have been very good, and there has been flood-like situation in few areas. That definitely acts as a dampener to auto retails. The major states like UP and Bihar, we see a kind of scarcity of rainfall there. There are big states and auto retail numbers coming in big from those states. Two-wheeler has not been able to respond so well, but they are bottom of pyramid segment, and the increase in prices of two-wheeler and plus the vehicle fuel cost acquisition plus the operating cost both has gone up for a two-wheeler customer, and plus the new launches in terms of whether it is electric vehicle, and customer is kind of confused or not able to decide whether to go for an electric vehicle or the IC engines. The electric vehicle availability itself is a big issue for two-wheeler segment. We see a definite positive trend in increasing numbers of two-wheeler. As you can see in the year-to-year basis, there's a positive trend. The numbers for the festive season for two-wheeler, we see a definite growth happening there.
All right, definite growth for the festive season in the two-wheeler segment. But when it comes to discounts during the festive season, festive schemes, how do they compare to last year?
So as you can see in PV segment, there's a lot of bookings available, and the vehicle shortage is there. Few models, the bookings have crossed a lakh mark, and waiting period for few models are more than 1 year, 2 year period. So we don't see a very kind of attractive discount schemes coming in for the customers. There are obviously some running models with all OEMs, and kind of Indian customer feels the discount is an integral part or it's his birthright. Some basic attraction to get the customer to the showroom would be there for the running models, but not on the booking models.